Hey guys, what's up? How are you? Hope that you guys are having an amazing day today. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Jarell, and in today's video we are going to be doing an Ulta haul. I'm so excited because I have not done an Ulta haul in a very long time, so I'm really excited to share all the goodies that I got. But before we do, please don't forget to like and of course subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And without further ado, let's get on to the video. Alright guys, so the first thing that I have here is this. I already used it in a video demoing it for you guys. This is the Ambient facial spray, and it is to moisturize, refreshes, and tones your skin. And the way that I use it is prior to adding any of my serums. I definitely want something just to refresh my skin and to have it a little damp before going in with any of my skincare. So this is amazing and I already love it. Like, I already know that this is definitely going to be a staple in my skincare because it is so good. Like, my skin felt so dry, and after applying that it just felt so good. So I'm definitely going to continue on using this product. So the next thing that I got is this tool right here from Beauty Blender, and it's just another of the Power Pocket Puff. I already have one. I thought that I lost it, so I repurchased it, but then I found it. By the way, I didn't tell my sister, so if you guys are watching, you guys know that I found it already. I absolutely love this thing right here to apply any of my powders. It is the best sponge in my opinion. But yeah, the next thing that I have is this right here, which I'm so excited that I'm doing this haul because I have been wanting to use this, and I try not to use any of the stuff before hauling it, so it is really hard because if I start using any of the products I won't do a haul. And so here is the moisturizer that I got. This one is from Hims. It is the Triple Moisture Herbal Body Butter, and it smells so good. It smells so good, like a delicious candy, and I am all about it. I absolutely love the scent of it, and I can't wait to just put it all over my body. Let's go ahead and move on to the other lotion that I got. This one is the original one, and I usually try to use this and then I switch it up to something else, but I always go back to this one just because it is so good. Again, it smells really sweet, so if you're not into like sweet scents, you're not going to like this one. I'm gonna try to finish the lotion that I have right now, or maybe just use this one before opening this one, but I don't know. This one is definitely like a must-have in my skincare body routine. This is so good. So all right, so the next products that I purchased are these two right here from Olaplex, and this is the number 4 and number 5. We have a shampoo and conditioner. I used these two already. I finished them all. Then I move on to Drunk Elephant, and I just finished with my Drunk Elephant shampoo and conditioner, so I wanted to go back to Olaplex just because I like rotating my shampoo and conditioner. I like to change it up a little bit, and these ones really worked out for my hair very well, so I'm happy to have it back, and I'm really excited to use them again because I have no shampoo. Like, I actually have to use my husband's shampoo to clean my hair, and I was like, what is this? What is this? It was just like, yeah, never again do I want to experience that. So I'm happy that I have these two already and they are ready to be used. All right, so I gifted my sister the NARS foundation. It was my foundation, so she asked me if I had a new foundation that I'm really liking, and she has more of a normal to drier skin, and I knew that she was going to really love this foundation, which is the Light Reflecting Foundation from NARS, and I did get mine in the shade medium 3 Stromboli, and this shade right here could be a little bit too deep for me right now, but I can always make it work, of course. And this is the same shade that I gifted her, and I really missed it. Like, even though it wasn't a foundation that I was just really drawn to all the time, just the fact that I knew that it was there whenever I wanted to use it, it was fine, and then it was gone. And I'm like, you know what, let me just repurchase it, and I'm so happy that I have it back. So yeah. I know my sister is really enjoying it. She loves it. She says that it's her favorite foundation right now. So I'm really happy for her, but I'm happy for me now. And with the purchase of a NARS foundation, they actually gifted me this little goodies right here, which we do have, which we do have a little mascara. This one is the Climax. I absolutely love this mascara when I did have it back in the days. So I'm happy to have a little mini sample of that. And this one right here is a super tiny mini lipstick in the shade Rose Cliff. And this is a beautiful nude. Ooh, Okay, I like that. And let me just swatch it for you guys. That is the perfect nude. Those are my type of nude, so I'm really happy that is that color. Wow, okay, I'm really excited for this one. And they also gifted me this little super tiny mini blush in the shade Orgasm X. So I also purchased this from Maybelline, which is the Express Brow, and I got mine in the shade Black Brown 262. I don't use a lot of drugstore. I actually have been just gifting or just, you know, downsizing my drugstore collection just because I want to focus on high-end and luxury. That is just the type of makeup that I like. However, I don't want to be completely disconnected from the drugstore either. So there is certain products that I definitely want to use. I don't know why I picked up brow product because I do have so many of them, but maybe again it's because I want to just see what is out there in the drugstore that is going to be maybe a little bit less expensive. I'm excited to try this one just because I want to see if the drugstore is giving us something good, something that, you know, it could be comparable to the ABH, Brow Wiz, or maybe the Benefit Precisely My Brow, something like that. So we will see. And now with that being said, with the drugstore and all of that good stuff, I know NYX really have amazing liners. So I did get a lip liner, and I do have a lot of the NYX lip liner already in my collection just because they're really good. I tend to gravitate to my other liners that I enjoy most, but NYX liners, when I started with makeup, those were the ones that I always had in my collection, and they work absolutely fine. They are really nice and glidey. They actually stay put. They don't bleed, so it's really good. So I decided to get this one right here, which is like a really nice warm kind of shade, and that is beautiful if you just want to just wear this all over your lips and just add a little bit of gloss or just pair it with a nudie lipstick. You get the idea. You can definitely wear this in different ways, so I'm really excited to have this color. And this one is in the shade Total Baller. And I also wanted to get some colorful liners because when I did my Natasha Denona retro glam looks, I just felt like there was something missing, and I wanted something a little bit more on the olive side, more on the rosy, like dusty pink, a kind of shade instead of the bright pink that I use in one of my looks. So I went ahead and purchased this two right here. And I also was looking for a dupe for this one right here from Marc Jacobs, just because this one I think it is out of stock, and I don't think Marc Jacobs is around. I don't know. But here is the one from NYX. You do have to sharpen them. So this one is from Marc Jacobs in a Whirlpool. And this is something that I wanted to see if it was a dupe. It reminded me a lot of it, and it's really close. I actually prefer the one from NYX a little bit, especially during the summer year, just because it's not so bright like this one. This one is a little bit leaning more towards like blue. This one is definitely leaning a little bit more green. So yeah, I mean, they look pretty close to each other, so on the eyes it's definitely not going to be like a huge difference. And this one is in the shade Intense Teal, and it went on to the hand really nicely. It's really nice and glidey, like super soft. So I'm really excited to use these ones right here from NYX. I also purchased these two right here, again, just because I had Natasha Denona Retro Glam in mine, and this one is more on the olivey side, but it does have a metallic finish. But look how beautiful that is. That is gorgeous. So this one right here is in the shade All Time Olive. It is absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait to use that one. And this one right here is in the shade Dusty Mauve. Oh my goodness, yes. And that is absolutely gorgeous as well. Look at that. That is so pretty. This is like Natasha Denona in liners for sure. So I'm really excited to have these right here. I'm really excited that they also changed the packaging, because it's so easy to just go into your drawer and pick the color that you want, just because it is the whole entire pencil, not just the end. So yeah, but that is it, guys. That is it for this video. That is it for all the products that I purchased at Ulta. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for your love, your time, and support. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I will see you next time. Bye. And look at that, guys. So it already dried down. And look at that, it's not even smudging or anything. So here is the Marc Jacobs and the NYX, and they are pretty good. I'm excited for that. That's good right there. I'm excited. All right, bye.